Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn Windows interview questions and answers for freshers. So let's see, most of the Windows Server administrators, they are trying to applying as a fresher how they need to enter and what the questions they may face. We are going to ask chatgpt to know what it would be in a trending scenario. So before going to this lecture, please do subscribe and support here. For more interview questions we are trying to update as soon. Let's start. I am asking a question. Windows. If you want you can mention server. Interview. Questions and answers for freshers. Let's see. Who are learned already in a Windows Server standards. Such a persons and professionals, these are very easy. So let's see. What is Windows Server and what is the purpose of it is going to be used? See, Windows Server family operating system designed for server computers. So the server operating system, yes, you may be installed in your local computer desktop for practice, whereas it is designed to enable and work with the server operating system and along with the server bare metal. It provides centralized management and administration of resources, data and the services networkly connected environment of Windows servers used hosting websites, managing domains, providing email services, sharing services, virtual machines and more. What is Active Directory? Yes, really great for beginners. This is a component they have to practice more and more. Active Directory is nothing but which is based on the network which are providing centralized repository, the organization and managing the information about the network resources of users and grow. It is an essential component of Windows Server to providing security, policy-based management, user policy, sign-in policy, group policy, how they needs to control the environment would be arranged here. The next one, what are the differences, editions in Windows Server? Yes, super easy. So which version you are learn, it is also depends upon how your career is grow. So Windows Server Standard Edition, the features you need to be understand and read out. Data Center Edition, Essentials Edition and Foundation. So what is DHCP in Windows Server? It's a really good question. DHCP is nothing but Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, where we can assign a protocol IP address to the network or LAN environment. We can define either static IP or DHCP IP. So ensure that the IP which is going to be automatically assigning to a computer or node or client machine which are going to be connecting to the server means the DHCP configuration is enabled at the main server which are offering the connectivity or the services. What is DFS in Windows Server? It's a DFS is also nothing but distributed file system, where we can making a centralized repository at Windows Server. We used this DFS system, like multiple servers are stored in a single server. DFS provides the unified namespace, allowing users to access the folders, files with the multiple users and multiple servers, single path, multiple path, and also providing load balancing, fault tolerance. Yes, how it is going to be making and moving. Next question, what is the purpose of group policy in Windows Server? Yes, group policy feature in Windows Server allowing administrators to manage and enforcing to apply for a multiple computer systems are connecting to the Windows domain controller. We can arrange an environment. As an administrator, he needs to make a centralized way of configuration settings at single place. User settings, maybe like marketing team settings, sales settings, and development settings, any. How to install the softwares, how to maintain the security privileges, and any other configurations he may be eligible or not. Yes, restrict based on the group wise. The next question is, what is the purpose of DNS in Windows Server? DNS is also called domain name system. Network services in Windows Server resolve the host name to IP, which is used to man human readable names to IP address, and vice versa, allowing users to access the network resources by entering the domain name to the resources of a web. These are the very common Windows interview questions for freshers, and if you are going to be prepared more and more to understanding, you need to practice a real world environment of the Windows Server. Any one version of Windows Server, you need to practice all these concepts. Then you will be clear explanation you will give when you face any scenario based questions also. If you feel this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe for Hari Systems. We'll catch you soon. Thank you.